Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Inspect the cap of a wheatgrass bottle for seal integrity and expiry, then shake vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds to resuspend sediment. Pour 30 ml into a clean glass. This is your single serving. If label differs, follow that measurement. Once done, sip a small taste to judge intensity because concentration varies by batch. Make sure to store the remaining juice upright in the fridge at 48 degrees C to keep freshness while you proceed. Now you mix and consume. Dilute the 30 ml with 50 to 100 ml of water or mild juice to adjust flavor and reduce bitterness, because liquids influence absorption and comfort. Drink within 15 minutes of mixing for peak nutrients. You can sip slowly or take as a quick shot. Once done, follow with 200-300 ml plain water to aid digestion. Make sure to keep a short gap, 10 to 20 minutes, before eating to maximize uptake of enzymes and chlorophyll. Finish by sealing and returning the bottle to the refrigerator immediately. Label the date opened and use within the recommended period. You're done after a final rinse and recording how you felt, because tracking reactions helps adjust future doses. If you experience nausea or upset, reduce to 15 ml next time and take with food. This is the single key troubleshooting tip. If the product smells rotten or tastes sharply sour, discard it and contact the vendor. Do not consume a compromised batch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.